Hey folks, another day, another keyboard with another rapid trigger function. This is a RT75 from YUNZII. Let's open the box and let's check what is inside. Okay, so inside the box you will have a cable, puller, several, I assume, Outemu mechanical switches, some spare keycaps, user manual, everything super standard. So this is a wired mechanical keyboard with 75% layout, with arrow keys, with function keys, with F-row, and with a mechanical knob, which is pretty useful. Sometimes on the back side you have USB-C, on the back side we have this adjustable fits. Everything else is super standard. From the keycaps point of view, we have a standard double shot PBT not shine through keycaps. From the switches point of view, we have Outemu magnetic switch, right, with central position of the magnet, so theoretically you can change it for another switch. We don't have anything under the switch, but we have a south-facing RGB, which theoretically allow you to use side-printed legends. So if you want to use some gradient one, you can do this. Okay, from the driver point of view, we have all the same EOT driver, QMK top, which is kind of from one side WebDriver, from another side you need to download some strange application which will be running in background, so it's up to you. Do you want to do this or not, right? But in general it's pretty standard driver. You can control light, macros, save and share your preference, but main settings is on a stroke settings, and we have all the same comfort, sensitive and game preference. So for now it's all as usual. Let's quickly check, for example, keyboard inspector. Okay, we have 1K pulling rate, which is enough for quick connection, right? And by the way, during this test I noticed that we have a gasket mounted system, which will, you know, help with the sound and with the typing, so it will be a little bit more pleasant than usual mechanical keyboard with magnetic switches. Okay, now it's time to check Valorant game and 3 different profiles, what we have: game, custom and performance, or something like that, right? So let's do a quick test.
My ultimate's ready. My ult's ready.
Okay, you can see on the screen that we have comfort settings, which is 2.0 millimeters actuation point. Which is obviously not good, but let's switch to sensitive, which is just 0.5, but rapid trigger is still off. It's much better, you can see it. And now game, which is again 0.5 press, it's actuation point, but rapid trigger 0.5 for the press and release. And you can see that we are almost staying on the same place, because it's immediately press and release, which is just great for the game, for FPS game like Valorant. So this keyboard is pretty responsive. Now let's check a sound test. What I can say, it's pretty soft keyboard, pretty soft presses. Sound is so-so, as mainly for the mechanical keyboards with magnetic switches because of metal switch plate. What I can say as a summary is that it's a pretty common mechanical keyboard. What is good? We have a 75% layout, which is more suitable for work and game. We have a knob, which is again very useful. We have several profiles for game and for work, which is again great. We have actuation point, rapid trigger, we have 1K pulling rate. So theoretically, this keyboard is a perfect fit for, you know, everything what you can do, right? The only issue that we have hundreds of such keyboards on the market, so you need to decide by yourself, looking on how this keyboard looks like, you know, colors, options, and of course price on your market on the moment when you decide to choose a new keyboard for yourself.